What's up, everybody? It's MealeeMan14. Let's keep playing more Super Mario Galaxy 2. Okay, now I want to show you something. Do you see this Hungry Luma right here? We're gonna call it right here. Now, it looks like you found a Hungry Luma. Hope you got a stack of Starbits, cause those guys can eat. Yeah, of course. Hey, you got any Starbits I can snack on? I'm so hungry. Feed me delicious Starbits. I need a chow on 300, then I'll transform. Yes. I think I'm gonna transform, and now it's gonna form a new galaxy. Alright. A new galaxy was born. And that's something I want to show you right here. Whoa, now that was nice. The Flip Swap Galaxy. Now we're gonna go in this galaxy right now. Think before you shake. Yes. Think before you put in the right answer. Don't just put it right away. Now, welcome to the galaxy. Yes. Whenever you're shaking the Wii remote, then it'll like change into either red ones, like just like this one. I just shook the Wii remote, and now that's what happens. Whoa, now that was bad. And that's just a really hard and tricky galaxy to go in. But we'll see how good we can play on with. Okay, now these are electrocuted. These can electrocute you if you get on them. So be careful. Especially that this is a flip swap place where you need to think before you shake the Wii remote. Now, come on, don't. There we go. Now this has a Goomba in it. Boomba. Okay, no, whatever. Now, these are gonna have chomps in them. So now, and they're gonna come here sometimes. But anyway, we got that now. Oh, that was bad. Oh, that was really now. Okay, there was nothing over there. I was assuming that there would be a. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I was assuming. Oh, that's where the comet medal is. No, that was close. Got that comet medal now. Now, come on. Come on, that was close. I almost just lost a life. Okay, we're gonna have to go. And that's where the second power star was. Yeah. No, that was nice. Come on. Now I've done that, we're just gonna get the 10th power star. Got the 8th comet medal. Alright. 270. Now, Starship Mario can now advance. Now that's gonna have. Okay, no mind. You brought back a Star Bunny. No, the one thing in the galaxy cuter than one of those? Nothing. That's what. Did I get y'all on that one? Well, it looks like to me that critter wants to tell you something. Okay, I'll go on. hey, the star shroom, yeah. Shake the weird remote when you're in the mid jump. Spinning will give you a little more oomph. Okay, how do I think that how do you think I jump so high? Boing! Try it with me. Use this warp pad. Alright, now we've done that. I'm gonna we got the next life of this game. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it right here. So if you like this part, subscribe to me. See you guys. Yep, cursor up here. Yeah, I can point at and shoot at stars. That's so nice. All right, so now you can get extra star bits, but and now I have 9,000. Yes. Withdraw all the money. There we go. And now, I decided to continue my search for starbits with the trip to the sea. So don't call it a vacation, grumble grumble. Okay. Alright, I'll cut it now. I'll cut it for real. So if you like this part, subscribe to me. Yeah, I'm just shooting out some starbits because we have too many. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.